In this very quick video guide, we're going to see how we can change date and time in Windows. So you can do this automatically, you can do this manually, depending on your needs. Now, first thing, we need to access this panel right here, which is in the settings. The quickest way is to go in the Windows button or open the Windows menu and just type in the search bar up here date or time. So you can see the first result appearing will be the one that you need. Also, the second one will be fine. So I can just click on this and this will open up this panel right here. And you can see that I can also go back here and change language and region and other settings. But let's focus on date and time. So I'm going to click here. And you can see that the time is set automatically. So if you want to set this manually, you need to switch this off. And then right here, you can click on the change button. And here you can set up whatever date or time you want to set up. So you can also fix this and change minutes or according to your, again, needs. So otherwise, you can just turn on the time. So this is gonna update automatically. And also the adjustment for daylight savings, you can do this automatically. So you can see it's a little bit different. So you can change automatically or manually. And you can also change the time zone if you want. So this will be all for this really quick video guide. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching and see you in the next.